In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Google Doc into a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your Google Doc and make sure it's ready to share. Click File, then Share and choose Publish to the web. Open the Embed tab, click Publish and copy the embed code. Next, sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to display the document. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the Google Doc to appear. Click the element, select Edit Custom HTML and paste the embed code you copied from Google Docs. Preview your website to make sure the document displays correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to embed a Google Doc into a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.